Hi everyone, this is Jen. I went to go start my motorcycle this morning. I have a 2016 GSXR 750 and the battery's dead. So I went to the store the other night and I bought myself a battery maintainer, which is this right here. Got it at Walmart for $39.99. And then I paid $4 for a 2-year plan in case anything breaks. So this bike, I had to take these panels off. You just pull it from the corner up here, and it has Velcro on the back. Just gotta pull it off. It has one on both sides. And then, most bikes, you'd have to take your Allen wrench provided in the back of the seat and undo this screw, or this nut, as well as the one on the other side. But I just found out that the bike already has this thing, and this battery tender is going to plug right into that, so I don't have to take the seat off or anything. But if you did have to take the seat off, then you would follow the steps in the instruction from there. So I will go and get the tender and be right back. So this battery tender came with a car charger outlet, a car charger, a wall charger, or the alligator clamps also. As well as the alligator clamps if I needed them. So what I'm going to be using is the wall charger because I have a long extension cord to plug it in. So yeah, I'm going to plug it in and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and I plugged it in right here, and this battery tender came with a little hook, so I hooked it onto my bike right here. It's hanging here charging. All I had to do is plug it in and turn it on, and this one will automatically analyze how many volts your battery has and the type of charging it needs. It has a solid light there, solid green light for charging, and when it starts to pulse, that means the battery is charged, and I'll be ready to ride it. So when I plugged it in, it showed 0%, and it shouldn't take too long because a second later it showed 1%, and a second later it showed 2%. So looks like it should charge pretty quickly. Alright, so there you go. I guess I can go ahead and put these side panels back on because I didn't need to take them off in the first place. Sweet. Alright. I hope this helps y'all. Ride safe. God bless. So we're back. At the beginning of this video, we started around 7 a.m. and it is now a little after 6 p.m. The battery is finally charged. It was dead battery. And charger says fully charged, auto maintaining. One thing to know, before you go unplugging everything, you gotta unplug the cord from the house or from whatever you're plugged into first, whether it be the car charger or the extension cord to the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then come back and I'll unplug that right there. Put the cap back on because this part stays on the motorcycle. It's zip tied to the motorcycle. You can see that alright. I hope so. That part. And this part came with the charger. So I'll put that back in the box and keep it for the next time I need it. But first, like I said, I'm gonna go unplug the orange extension cord. So I unplugged the orange extension cord from the house. And here we go, unplugging the actual device. And I have the cord going underneath my motorcycle because I plugged the whole thing in on the left hand of the motorcycle. The left hand is you're sitting on the bike. And like I said before, I'm gonna unplug that. I'll put the cap back on and show you what it looks like. So here's the cap, and it just simply goes right back on the part that's sticking out from the bike. So yeah, just like so. So now I'm gonna make sure my motorcycle will turn on. Hopefully it will, but it says on the instructions you do not want to turn on your device until everything is unplugged. So that's a good thing to keep in mind. So here we go. Now when the battery was dead, it did that. It just... Yeah, so I just dropped the camera, but it's still okay. I'm gonna try and start the bike now. My 2016 GSXR 750. Man, does it sound good. I got it from Major Power Sports on Sahara here in Las Vegas. It came with this aftermarket pipe on it. Yoshi pipe. Beautiful. So feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm new at this, so I'm gonna be posting another video of me putting my Shogun frame sliders on my bike. So go ahead and check it out. Thanks, ride safe, God bless.